Miss Suzanne. Welcome to Kids Create at the Bala Cynwyd Library. Today we're going to be making wax paper stained glass that'll come out looking like this. You're going to need some wax paper, craft glue, any kind of paintbrush will do, a pair of scissors, and tissue paper that you've cut up. So the first thing you need to do is take some wax paper and rip off a piece, like I have here, and you're going to put it down and use a paintbrush and some craft or school glue, any kind will do, Elmer's or Kraft. You're going to take some glue and you're going to put it onto your wax paper and you will spread it around. You can either use your hands or any old brush, clean brush you have lying around. And then you're gonna take tissue paper that you've already ripped up or cut up. It can be used, and you'll start laying them down however you wish. And just keep putting them down. You can think about a pattern or you can think about doing something random. You've put down tissue paper everywhere you want it, and you want to put down and cover it. You're going to take another piece about the same size and you're going to take some more of the glue and spread it on the second piece of wax paper. You want a thin layer. You don't want a lot of glue. And you will pick it up and you're going to put it down, face down, so the glue matches the tissue paper on top of your artwork. And then you'll press very gently down and smooth it all in. You're going to smooth it all out and let it adhere. And either you can wait till it's dry or you can do it now and you cut out the shape that you want. So I'm just going to make this into a rectangle like a picture. If you want, you can even get fancy and you can use a permanent marker to draw on top. And add something to it, and I'll show you what happens when it's all done. It's still wet, so you want to give it a day and it's going to get better. When they're all dry, you can hang them up in the window and let the light shine through, and these are kind of some of the things that you get. And this one I turned into my newest bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this installment of Kids Create at the Bala Cynwyd Library.